How to get free gift on Temu. Let's get started. First up, launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. The very first thing you want to do is complete your profile. Fill out all the details because some promotion requires users to have a fully completed profile to qualify for free gifts. Keep an eye out for promotions and contests. Temu frequently runs these events and participating in them can earn you free gift. Stay updated by checking the app regularly. Another great way to get free gift is by referring friends. Invite your friends to join Temu using your referral code. Many platforms including Temu reward you with freebies for successful referrals. Regularly check this special offers section in the Temu app or on the website. This is where you will find exclusive deals and opportunities to claim free gift. And lastly, don't forget about Temu points. You can earn points through various activities on the platform and then redeem them for free gift. Make sure to take advantage of this feature. And there you have it. These simple steps will help you get free gift on Temu. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.